Hey guys, just rehousing my Thalassophus sturmey, the Burgundy Goliath, and I thought now would be a good time to try and hold her. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Okay, so there she is. She's about 5.5 inches, so as you can see about the same size as my hand. Well, a bit smaller than my hand actually, but you know, still a big spider, and not aggressive at all. Very docile really. Did kick a few hairs, but nothing worse than that. Yeah, it looks like she might be going into pre-molt soon, so probably be molting in a few weeks. So yeah, that's Charlotte, my Burgundy Goliath, Thalassophus sturmey. Okay guys, so I've just put her back into her enclosure that's been filled with fresh substrate, and yeah, hopefully she'll settle back down again. And yeah, I saw that she was in pre-molt, so she'll probably be molting in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you again soon.